Oh man, they are huge! Multi-game cards from the 90s! Let's go! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. So in today's video we are going to talk about once again multi-game cards from the 90s. Little shout out to the multi-card collector for sending me these to review. And no, I'm not going to keep them, I'm just going to send them back. Alright, so in this video we are going to focus on the 100 plus editions. So these have big collections, big cards. But the question is bigger always better? That is something we're going to find out. We're going to do some testing, check them out, what kind of games are on it. And yeah, let's see what we're going to get together with you. For the people who are asking, where's the button for? Very simple. When you stick it in your Game Boy, it's very hard to reach your on and off switch. So they figured out, you know what? We're going to give this a little reset button. Very convenient, very awesome. It's not like the multi-card nowadays that you're pushing the button and it's going straight to the menu. No. It's like in the 90s. It's old school, it's basic. Because it just resets the full system. Alright, let's go. Let's grab the football version here first, yeah. Let's go. Alright, so let's take a close look at the games. And for the people who don't know, I have this custom horror zombie version of a Game Boy. I did a separate review about it, so check it out if you're interested in the product itself. The game itself, very cool. We have a lot of great games, a lot of familiar games again. And let's see. Ooh, what did I choose? What did I choose? Vincent Hawk, okay. Never played this game. To be honest, just reset, please. Alright, so we're going to take a close look at the list itself. Just wanted to see what kind of games are on it. Are a lot of double games. Oh, how can we go to the other list? My reset button? No. Ah, that's the A button. Yeah, it's always the question with the multi-card, which button we can use for skipping. WWF is on this one, Robocop Home Alone. If you look at all the other videos and all the other multi-game cards, I see a lot of familiar games. So it's more like these multi-game cards have a lot of the same games. Ooh, pinball game. Ooh, it's very nice. We have a lot of great games on it. And after sometimes I'm thinking of getting the idea that there are some games that I've already seen before. But nevertheless, I saw a game that was really interesting. Pinball game. I love pinball games. It's my favorite Coco game. Okay, I'm gonna show you the gameplay because this music is freaking awesome. Okay, listen to the soundtrack. Oh, I can play this game all day. I love this. Oh. No. No matter what do you think of pinball games? In general, do you like them? Or did you even play them on Game Boy? Did you play them on other systems back in the day? I really hate why they don't make these pinball games anymore nowadays. So you don't have. Yeah, we have the basic table simulation system, but we don't have these custom-made crocodile versions. Ooh, should come to the next level again. Okay. This is the Penguin version 120 in 1. And oh my god, there are a lot of... Again, Simpson Escape at the first place. WWF. Oh my god, they're all the same games. Oh man. I don't see my cursor. Where is it? But yeah, nevertheless, don't need go to all the list. Okay, the escape. Is this more like this escape from camp? Oh, this game. I had this back in the day. Oh, I played this game so much. And I couldn't figure out some things that are more like, I couldn't go any further in the game. You know that frustration, don't you? To be honest, I didn't really like this game. Alright, so let's test the last card. And wait, what? Wait a moment. It says on the multi-card 101 in 1. Yeah? And on the card itself, it says 88 in 1. Wow, I've never seen this before. Or they just swapped the PCB inside. No, they don't. Oh my god, it is even worse. They just put the wrong. Okay, let's see what kind of games we have. Collection of keys. Still, back in the day, if you have this multi-game card, I think you would be very happy. Oh yeah, I can remember this one. Okay. Yeah, just be easy. Easy mode. We can choose level. Wait, that was really annoying. That little. Oh. So cool. Wow, they even put tethers on it. I love Tetris. I'm not really good at it. I know a friend of mine is like a pro. I'm more like this noob. But still I can enjoy the game. Alright, so for the final conclusion. So, naughty card, people, naughty card. That it was not even having 100 plus games. So, more the point of this collection review about the multi-game cards, I wanted to show the 100 plus editions. But yeah, nevertheless. Alright, so the games itself, a lot of familiar games, a lot of same games. So if you want to collect them, like more like the multi-card, you're thinking, okay, I would just want to have them to collect them all. Yeah, it can be possible. We have another decal. The shells itself are basically all the same, and as you can see, they almost have the same games. So this is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. Do you like the collection of this game or multi-game cards? Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.